Today we are exploring the best AI design tools. It generates multiple versions of graphics based on your preferences, needs, and previous designs. Starting with number 8, Designhill Logo Maker. Designhill Logo Maker is an AI-driven logo design tool that generates unique and customizable logos based on user preferences and design requirements. At the number 7, InVision. InVision is a prototyping and collaboration platform that allows designers to create interactive and animated prototypes of their designs. At the number 6, Artisto. Artisto is an AI-based app that transforms photos and videos into artistic creations by applying various artistic filters and effects. At the number 4, Canva. ProtoPie is an interactive prototyping tool that enables designers to create realistic and interactive designs without writing code. At the number 4, Canva. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform with AI-powered features for creating professional-looking designs, including backgrounds, logos, and more. At the number 3, Sketch2 React. Sketch2 React is an AI-powered design code tool that converts sketch designs into React components, streamlining the design and development process. At the number 2, Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei is Adobe's AI technology that enhances creative workflows by automating tasks and providing intelligent features in Adobe's creative software. At the number 1, Figma. Figma is a collaborative design tool that allows teams to create, prototype, and collaborate on designs in real time.